Here's a quick guide to show you how to use the short multiplication method. First, set out your calculation like this, setting out the place value digits correctly in the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. When multiplying, we must always start with the smallest value digit, which is the ones. So 5 ones times 9 equals 45. When the number goes over 10, we regroup 4 tens, 40, into the tens column underneath here and leave 5 ones in the ones column. Next, we're going to multiply 6 tens times 9 ones, and that equals 54. And we're going to add the 4 tens that we carried over, so that would be 58. 5 is 500 and goes underneath the hundreds column. And finally, we're going to do 3 hundreds times 9, so that will equal 27 hundreds. And then we're going to add the 5 hundreds, so that will equal 32 hundreds. So the total is 3,285.